Got a pile of receipts that's getting out of control? Or maybe you're on a business trip and a paper receipt is the last thing you want to deal with. Expensify's SmartScan is designed to solve that problem, but how does it actually work? It all starts with a single snap. You open the Expensify app, tap the camera icon, and take a picture of your receipt. Now, this isn't just a simple photo. The app's powerful technology kicks in instantly. It uses optical character recognition, or OCR, to read the text on the receipt. It's like having a digital brain that can decipher what's printed on the paper. The OCR technology looks for key information. Things like the merchant name, the date of the purchase, and the total amount. It's a lot more than just pulling numbers. The system is trained on millions of receipts, so it knows to look for a dollar sign or a euro symbol to identify the currency, and it can understand different date formats. Once it's extracted this information, Expensify's AI takes over. This isn't just about reading text, it's about understanding context. The AI will categorize the expense. So, a receipt from a coffee shop might be tagged as meals and entertainment, while a hardware store receipt gets flagged for office supplies. It can even connect the receipt to a specific credit card transaction if you have your card linked to your account. But what if the photo is blurry, or the receipt is old and faded? This is where the human element comes in. If the AI can't get a 100% accurate read, the receipt is sometimes sent to a human reviewer to confirm the details. This two-step process ensures an extremely high level of accuracy. So, in a matter of seconds, that crumpled piece of paper goes from a physical receipt to a fully digitized and categorized expense entry, ready for you to add to a report. It saves you from manual data entry, reduces errors, and puts you back in control of your expenses. And that's how Expensify's SmartScan works.